Hi, I'm Peter. I'm with daq.io. We're an NI Alliance partner based out of Seattle, Washington. We focus on web data storage and visualization, and I want to show you our platform today, so let's take a look. Typical daq.io applications are distributed data logging and monitoring of machines at different sites. So our target client would be an operator of those machines, and this is our starting view, where you could have a map or any other list or preview of devices. In this example, we take a look at one machine in particular, our NI Week Windows client. The green bar here means that it's online and it's pushing data right now. And so what people are most interested in is the live data of this machine. So I will click on our Go to Dashboard, and this will lead us to a live dashboard of this specific machine or device. As you can see, it shows a few gadgets that update as the machine pushes live data. If I go to Edit Dashboard, I will come to the dashboard editor where I can move around and or change these gadgets. I can select a different channel, I can change the theme. For instance, I can give it a new color, and then all these changes will be reflected live as soon as I finish editing. The dashboard is one starting point, but of course there's many more pieces of data that the engineer might be interested in. So let's take a look at some historical data. These charts show data from today, and as I zoom in, it will actually load more detailed data. This chart is a little hard to read, so I'll switch to stacked graph mode. Now I see a jump in data, so I can take a closer look, and then, as you see, it will reload data even more in a more finer granularity. On top of these time series data, I can also add waveform data. So this is data that is sampled on the device at, for example, a kilohertz or faster. And if I click at these waveforms, I can also see their data. One more application is alarms. So all these channels, they might actually come from distributed data loggers, and I want to know when they reach certain critical data points in their acquisitions. So I can just add alarms for different channels, such as, in this case, a temperature log, where I can say, well, it exceeds 100 degrees, it will send me an email. On top of alarms, there's also an event log. So this is system data that I can take a look at, and I see the overall health and status of the system that's connected. And that, on top of this, we also have a file storage system, kind of like a Dropbox, where you can just place your files and retrieve the files online. So all of this can be run in the cloud, but you can also host it locally. And this is our way for you to store and retrieve measurement data between R&D and production, for example, or of any distributed data sites. Just to show you the LabVIEW side of things, we ship it in the LabVIEW Tools network, and it has ready-to-run examples that you can easily play with. You can sign up for free, and you see this client on the left is actually pushing data live. So if I change the set point here, it will reflect on the live dashboard. And we also managed to keep the code very simple and clean. This is our palette that will help you build your own applications and to get you started really quickly. Thank you very much for watching. So please check us out on our website at www.daq.io. You can also sign up for free and try it out yourself.